The New Jersey wind port is a truly once-in-a-generation project. For one, it will create hundreds of construction jobs over the next 5+ years. Phase 1 has an indicative cost of $300 to $400 million. That's a lot of stimulus, much needed stimulus, working its way through the township, through the county, and right across the state. But of course, you don't undertake infrastructure for the construction benefits alone. You undertake infrastructure for the longer term economic benefits that accrue. And to this end, the wind port is best in class. By combining purpose-built wharf infrastructure with over 200 acres of uplands, the port aims to attract Tier 1 component manufacturers. That's the nacelles, the blades, the towers. Each of these components costs millions of dollars to manufacture and requires hundreds of highly skilled workers. They're also long-term investors. When these folks set up a plant, they want to be there for 15, for 20 years in order to recoup their investment. That means jobs for the longer term. To date, we have public commitments from 2 wind developers and 2 Tier 1 manufacturers. That's a pretty good indicator of the appetite that exists for this asset. Demand will only increase considering the significant and growing pipeline of committed and planned wind projects up and down the East Coast. From Maine to the Carolinas, there's an estimated 35 gigawatts or $150 billion of wind projects to 2035. Here at EDA, we're focused on maximising New Jersey's share of that prize. All East Coast states can and will benefit from offshore wind, but wind supply chains will necessarily concentrate, as other manufacturing industries have shown. We're determined to make sure that New Jersey becomes that supply chain hub, and we have the tools to get the job done. We have the commitment from political leaders right across the state. We have the skilled workforce, and with the port, we have the purpose-built asset that the industry urgently needs.